This pattern assembly tutorial is for a micro mini G-string sewing pattern. I've already attached the lining to the main piece and I've hemmed it under 1/2 inch at the front. So now I'm going to attach some binding before I sew it together. If you have a binding attachment, go ahead and use it. I am not familiar with it. I have always not used a binding attachment, and I have pinned my binding. This is my pinned binding, and I'm going to put a stay stitch on it before I go to the next step. After I've done my stay stitch, I put a little tack down at the bottom where I do my 1/2 inch overhang. I'm just going to cut that off because we don't need it anymore. I've measured the binding or the piping all the way around as far as how big I want the waistband to be, and I attached it again at the top of the thong and at the back of the thong, and I'm going to stay stitch this binding before I finish the stitch. Now I finished both of my stay stitches on the other side, and I've got the waistband ready to go, and now I'm just going to finish the stitch all the way around with a cover stitch or a zigzag stitch. So here is that finished step. So now you're going to find the center back of the string, and you're going to pin it on the G-string thong part in the center so that you're going to be able to fold that over and secure it. Now I've secured the back strap by tacking it down and then folding back over and sewing it, and this is your completed thong. You guys, thank you for supporting me through the years. Click the button if you want to subscribe.